You ever just want something to be bright, like lit up, super bright, nice, clear daylight, 6,000 Kelvin light, you know, just, I want my garage to just be lit up bright white. What's up YouTube, Jason here with Byte My Bits, and in today's video, I'm talking about light bulbs. I have no idea if these are going to be bright enough, but I have just regular CFL, I think they're 3,000 Kelvin lights in my garage, and they function, they do what they're supposed to do, they're just not very bright. So I went out looking for a replacement. I was actually thinking about installing shop lights, which would take rewiring and a bunch of stuff to do, and then I found these, and they're not cheap. For one light bulb, you spend $60. I decided to get 3 of them because I have 3 lights in my garage. So in today's simple video, I'm going to take these out of the box. I'm going to show you before and after in the garage, and I'm going to see if I should return them and just get shop lights, just to, you know, have a bright garage. I know it's a little weird to like want to go all out on some lights, but it's the little things, you know, like having a super bright garage. It's just kind of cool. But this is supposed to plug right into the socket for the light bulb. It doesn't take any wiring, and these are adjustable. They're LEDs, high powered. This is supposed to be 100 watt equivalent. I mean, this looks cool. 6,000 kelvins, 12,500 luminescence, 100 watts worth of power. This thing hopefully should light up my garage really well. I don't know. Either this will not work and I'll return it, or they will work and I'll be happy and it'll be an easy upgrade. Really, when it comes down to it, my lights work. They work as they're supposed to. They're yellow and they're not terribly bright, but when it's dark outside, everything works as it's supposed to. But that's not really what today's video is about. It's about turning this dull yellow environment into a bright 6,000 Kelvin daylight paradise, or something like that. Okay, if I wanted to worry about color matching, I could. If I wanted to change out the little light bulbs in my garage door actual lift thingies up there, I could get like LED bulbs, but that's not really that big of a deal. The biggest deal is these 3 light bulbs put out way more power than even the brightest light bulb that I put in here before, even with the 5,000 ones that I've tested, and holy bananas, they light everything up like it's shop lights. Now the big difference here is that I'm not going to get as much light in the front of my garage. It's all kind of primarily focused at the back, but that's okay. Things feel like they are 5 times brighter than what they were before, and I got rid of the horrible, horrible yellow lighting. Having these bulbs install easily just right into the light socket is pretty awesome. Did not take very much time at all. It took longer to lug around the ladder than it did to actually screw them in. I mean, it's just a light bulb. So only difference is these have LEDs all around it that you can adjust and kind of point in the direction that you want them to light up. So it's nice over here on the side. I don't really need to light up the wall as much, but I do want more downward facing lighting. So I can point these down and have more lighting down, and then point the ones on the side over towards this direction. and have that one pointing over towards that direction. So I have a nice smooth lighting with all of these that are hyper white and hyper bright. I think obviously the big question here is how long are these light bulbs going to last? They are LED. They do claim to have very long lifespans, so who knows exactly how long they'll last. But I mean, I don't really plan on using the lights too much. It's just a matter of when I'm in here and it is dark outside, I do want some nice lighting in order to be able to see what I'm doing. And the old lights just could not give me that. Now there's one thing that I can say about these lights that I don't like, and that is the delay. They're bright, they're hyper white. I love hyper white, and they're way better than this stupid like incandescent color or whatever, the regular light bulb color. They're awesome, except for this. There's a delay. I mean, it's like half a second. Not that big of a deal. I mean, I'm not gonna return them over that, but if you do install it somewhere and you wanna walk in and just expect your light to come on immediately after you flip the switch, you're not gonna get that with these lights. So just be prepared. Again, not that big of a deal, at least not in my situation, but just something you should know. There is a delay. I still like them. They're fantastic lights, they're bright, and definitely a good choice, and way easier than rewiring things to install shop lights. Although I do wish I had a fourth socket up here in front, or maybe 5. Okay, maybe I don't need that, but yeah, it is what it is. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys find this at least a little bit interesting, and if you are looking to upgrade your garage door lights or maybe some shop lights, you know, definitely keep these things in mind. They seem super bright. I love the results, and so far I'm happy with them. I don't like the delay, but it's really not that big of a deal. Of course, you will find links to these lights in the description down below. I don't even know what company makes them. I just found them online, thought they were interesting, found them on Amazon. So check out the links below if you are interested in them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and have yourself a good day.